Next point is 2.5. How well have you learnt about decimal numbers? You have learnt about decimal numbers in the earlier classes. Let us briefly recall them here. Look at the following table and fill up the blank spaces. Here are some uh, uh, blank spaces are there. Here see 100, 10, 1, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, hundreds, tens, ones, tenth, hundredth, thousandth, and the number is 253147. That is 253.147. 629321. That is 629.321. 043192. That is 043.192. Some more is also there. In the table you wrote the decimal number given its place value expansion. You can do the reverse too. That is, given the number you can write in expanded form. For example, 235.417 is equal to 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 10 plus 1 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000. John has rupees 15.50 and Salma has rupees 15.75. Who has more money? To find this, you need to compare the decimal numbers 15.50 and the 15.75. To this, we first compare the digits on the left of the decimal point, starting from the leftmost digit. Here both the digits 1 and 5 to the left of the decimal points are same, so we compare the digits on the right of the decimal point starting from the 10th place. We find that 5 is smaller than 7, so we say 15.50 is smaller than the 15.75. Thus Salma has more money than John. If the digits at the 10th place are also same, then compare the digits at the 100th place and so on. Now compare quickly 35.63 and 35.67, 20.1 and 20.01, 19.36 and 29.36. While converting lower units of money, lengths and weights to their higher units, we are required to use decimals. For example, 3 paise is equal to 3 by 100 rupees is equal to 0.03 rupees. 5 gram is equal to 5 by 1000 kg is equal to 0.005 kg. 7 centimeter is equal to 0.07 meter. Write some blank spaces there. You have to fill this blank spaces. uh, we also know how to add and subtract decimals. Thus 21.36 plus 37.35 is 21.36 plus 37.35, and after addition you will get the result as 58.71. What is the value of 0.19 plus 2.3? The difference 29.35 minus 4.56 is what? It will be the 24.79. Tell the value of 39.87 minus 21.98. Now exercise 2.5 is there. Some questions are here. You have to solve all the questions. Next topic is 2.6, multiplication of decimal number. This point is multiplication of decimal numbers. Resma purchased 1.5 kg vegetables at the rate of 8.50 per kg. How much money should she pay? Certainly it would be 8.50 multiplied by 1.50. Both 8.5 into 1.5 are decimal numbers. Also we have come across a situation where we need to know how to multiply two decimals. Let us now learn to multiplication in two decimal numbers. Multiplication of two decimal numbers. First, we find 0.1 into 0.1. Now 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10. So 0.1 into 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, and it is 1 by 1 into n by 10 into 10 is equal to 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. Let us see its pictorial representation. See the figure 2.13. The fraction 1 by 10 represents one part out of 10 equal parts. The shaded part in this picture represents 1 by 10. We know that 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 means 1 by 10 of 1 by 10. So divide this 1 by 10th part into 10 equal parts and take one part out of it. The dotted square is one part out of 10 of the 1 by 10th part. That is its representation represents 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 or 0.1 into 0.1. Can the dotted square be represented in some other way? How many small squares do you find in figure 2.14? There are 100 small squares, so the dotted square represents 1 out of 100 or 0.01. Hence 0.1 into 0.1 is equal to 0.01. Note that 0.1 occurs two times in the product. In 0.1 there is one digit to the right of the decimal point. In 0.01 there are two digits, that is 1 plus 1, to the right to the decimal points. Let us now find 0.2 into 0.3. We have 0.2 into 0.3 is equal to 2 by 10 into 3 by 10, as we did for 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Let us divide the square into 10 equal parts and take 3 parts out of it. To get 3 by 10, again divide each of these 3 equal parts into 10 equal parts and take 2 from each. We get 2 by 10 into 3 by 10. The dotted square represents 23 by 10, 6 by 10 or 0.2 into 0.3. See the figure 2.15. Since there are 6 dotted square out of 100, so they also represent 0.06. Thus 0.2 into 0.3 is equal to 0.06. Observe that 2.2 into 3 is equal to 6, and the number of digits to the right to the decimal point is 0.06 is 2, that is equal to 1 plus 1. Check whether this applies to 0.1 and 0 multiple 0.1 also. Find 0.2 and 0.4 by applying these observations. We finding 0.1 into 0.1 and 0.2 into 0.3. You might have noticed that first we multiplied them as whole numbers, ignoring the decimal point in 0.1 and 0.1. We found 0.1 into 0.1 or 1 into 1. Similarly, in 0.2 into 0.3 we found 0.2 into 0.3 or 2.3.